everyone, it's Jasmill. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a recreation video and it's going to be on what Kim K does to achieve like a smoky glam face. It was actually pretty simple and I really loved how it turns out. I loved how the under eye smoke turned out especially, and the color of glitter that she chose was on point. I didn't use like almost anything that she had. I don't think I used any of the same products that she had, but that just goes to show you that you don't need like expensive makeup or certain type of makeup to achieve the same results. You just need to learn the techniques and any tips and tricks. Well, here is the finished result and I really love it. I'm gonna actually be going to my family's Xmas Eve party and I just wanted to throw one. I'm feeling really relaxed and chill. I didn't really have any time or funds to buy expensive or cute, you know, holiday dresses or whatever, or outfits, but I kind of am loving like this like cozy and cute for the holidays look this year. So, and please leave any comments down below for any other videos that you want me to do, and have a happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next year as well. Let's see if the Queen of Glam can help me look freaking snatched for my Christmas Eve party. This is Kim Kardashian West, complete guide to glam.
In my bathroom, and we are gonna do my makeup routine. I'm gonna do a holiday look for you guys and show you all my tips and tricks. First, I have moisturizer on my hands, and I extra moisturize. Even if I've already moisturized for the day, I put on moisturizer.
She likes an oily slip, and I love an oily slip for my foundation too, but I don't have an oily moisturizer right now, so I'm just gonna go straight to my oil. This is my Physicians Formula Argan oil with like gold flecks, and it's so nice on the skin. It's amazing underneath foundation, especially if you like that oilness feeling. But I have dry skin, so my skin can handle it and loves it. I don't know about oily skin.
And you can see I have psoriasis on my face. It's coming on my face. And whoever's stressing me the fuck out needs to leave me alone. I like this dual-ended brush. Well, really what I use, and what I used to use, is this MAC foundation.
So she uses a kabuki brush for her foundation, and I don't have a kabuki brush, but I love using this e.l.f. foundation blurring brush, and it's just like a really dense buffing brush. Leftover sample of the Huda Beauty foundation, which I've been loving, so I'm gonna put this on. I really want to get a bottle, it's so good.
Brows, I use an Anastasia pencil. In the 90s, I would, in high school, make my brows so thin. Drew Barrymore was my everything inspiration. Before I really powder and set everything, I use
eyebrow brush. It's Duo, and then I'm using the Colourpop brow pomade. I really like it. Out, then I always put oil into the pomade and kind of mix it, and it kind of like gives it more slick. Eyebrows are done.
Use my concealer, so we're gonna do conceal, bake, brighten. If you guys only saw the under eyes that I have, sponge. And I use this Toshin, and then I kind of take the concealer and put it up on my eye too.
Okay, she does a lot of concealer. So I have, again, this leftover sample from the Huda Beauty concealer, and it's really nice. It's kind of more natural for me though, because the color is very peachy, and it kind of like blends into my skin tone after a while. Right now it doesn't look like it, but it does like kind of blend away really nicely. So I'm also gonna put another light one on top. So I'm gonna take this Fenty Wheat stick. Sponge is so old. I need to get a new one because it kind of sucks at blending now.
A sponge, and I use this Toshin, and then I kind of take the concealer and put it up on my eye too. Okay, when you are a mom, you have no time to blend like this, so unless I have work and I'm getting my hair and makeup done, I do not have time to blend all day, so I try to do it as quick as possible. Baking wax, I swear I could just.
I hate baking under my eyes.
After I bake,
so I'm using my Laura Mercier. I sometimes like reverse contouring and baking underneath the contour line because I feel like that cleans things up, makes things look a little bit more structured. But I like doing it more in the summertime. In the wintertime, my skin is so dry and I hate baking. I need to find like a really good baking powder for the winter time that I can feel this like drying out so much.
So I'm not done baking. I still have to bake my crease. You know what I love to do that? Is create lip contour. And you can't get it too high up.
Now she's contouring with her sticks. I haven't tried her sticks yet, but I did hear that her contour sticks are really nice. But I just love the Fenty one so much, and I want to try more like foundation sticks and like contour sticks because I really do like how easy it is and how creamy it is.
Because you look like you have a mustache. There's a little spot right there. You know, I always do the darker color on my forehead because I love a tiny little forehead. I loved my mom's makeup. She always had a red lip, red nails and a red lip, always. So I just loved that about her. I just kind of like pat it. So then I go back to the translucent powder to powder my whole face. This is like my problem area. If I don't have that powdered, oh my god, I could look like I have like lines, like you guys don't even understand. I kind of like go in a 3, like this, like that and down, like that and down. That's my trick. And I just kind of get into the hairline and I kind of like push it up. I don't know why or where I learned that, but I just love a really dark forehead. And then I always just put it at the tip of my nose when I'm done. And I just kind of rub off all the excess powder just right there. I'm going to keep the baking powder under my eyes because I'm going to start with eyeshadow. We're going to do like a blingy look, highlighter stuff that's like powdery that she can get into with a brush and ruin it. That's like, she has such a heavy hand, she's so aggressive. I am going to start with this shade. It's like a really pretty neutral.
Okay, she's starting off with like a like dark gray neutral like charcoal color. Is it fluffy? Yes, it's fluffy. So I'm gonna go with my Morphe 35K and it kind of looks like this color a little, maybe this too. So maybe like these two. Gray, neutral, smoky.
So usually I don't really do a crazy smoky eye myself, but I really like how my makeup artists do it because they're so amazing, but I'm going to do it for you guys today. Okay. You're doing a good job. Now,
smoke on the inner part of her eyes. And she's a lucky bitch because she could do that because she has a lot of lid space. I have hooded eyes and cheeky eyes and not a lot of lid space, but I'll try it. I'll try it. We'll see how it turns out.
use the lighter color, just kind of at the brow bone. Oh, I need to work so much. Okay, there we go, there we go.
Now she's using a
I like going way too far.
Light color to kind of like clean up the brow area, the brow bone area. So let me go into this shade. I actually did hit palette on that shade. That was a nice shade. Mix it with that. This is all mattes so far, you know.
Keep my under eyes always smoked because I don't know, I just feel like I look really naked without it. So regardless, Even if I'm doing a light look, I just always smoke it with contour. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is...
Okay, she's using the same, I'm guessing the same color to smoke her under eye.
This Stila Bronze Bell. And I'm going to use it right down the center of the eye. Blend it with my finger. This color, the one that North got her hands in, and I'm just gonna kind of like put my finger on top with my finger and just kind of rub, because this color is like a really pretty goldish greenish almost.
I have the Stila ones, but I don't have that one, and I want to get more so badly because I love these so much. I'm gonna use Gold Goddess, and let's see. She says she uses her fingers and pats it into whitish, greenish gold color, I guess. I don't really have that. The closest thing I have to like whitish, goldish, greenish is this color called Ozone, I believe, from the Fenty Galaxy palette. That's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do that. Ooh, it's pretty. With my fingers, and I kind of like it with my fingers. Patting it first, so there won't be fallout. And then blending it. Tip, Kim, good tip. Black liner on the inner.
I'm gonna curl my lashes
inner waterline.
This lash curler by Choice.
Hopefully that's black enough. It's not really too black, but hopefully that works. Now we're gonna take our eyelash curler and curl.
Really gets in there. All my makeup artists are like, they die. They're like, how do you get so close to the lash? But I just do.
For mascaras, but I have the Diorshow Mascara, and I actually really do like it.
For myself, which one I like better. I try to get all the way to the root, but I'm a messy mascara girl, so I like it to look like clumpy and messy.
While she's doing her under eyelashes, I don't really like doing that. And off her bake at this point. My face feels so dry. Like so dry. And she's putting more powder. It's like Christmas Eve, so everyone's getting ready. My family's hella loud right now. Even my dog. So sorry if you hear any background noise. So I'm gonna use this Hourglass powder, and she's using like a brightening powder. I don't have that, and this is like the closest. It like diffuses and blurs and blah blah. So, and it has like yellow gold in it. So I'm gonna put more bronzer on because I feel like she didn't put powder bronzer on, and I want to. I'm gonna use Coverfx color 1110 N1110, and just to intensify the contour a bit more. Lip liner, a dark brown lip liner. And the darkest brown lip liner I have is the Jordana Cocoa.
It's really defined. I'm kind of filling it in right there, and it just, I don't know, I love 90s glam. So I know this looks really dark because there's kind of that concealer foundation on my lip. And you just kind of blend the lip liner.
Okay, and then she puts on one of her lighter lipsticks, and I'm gonna use More Creamer Please from Doseofcolors. I really don't like this color on me, but mixing it is a little better. Blush.
Sheen to it. Not to contour my nose, you guys.
Oh, now she contours her nose.
Always do.
The Milani, what is this called? I think it's Vino or something. Watch out. Yeah, that's crazy pigmented. What highlight is she using?
Tutorials. Do you guys know her? Makes your nose look so cute and little. The last and final step is highlighter, and I'm going to use the Kylie palette, the Kylie that she did with my mom. And it says you're doing amazing, sweetie, of course.
Just random things that I just threw in here. This is like Wet n Wild. This is Laura Mercier, and this is Sephora. So I'm just gonna mix them all. Why not?
I'm really surprised myself. I'm not a makeup artist. They never claim to be. But after today, I might change that title.
All right, we're done, guys. We're gonna do the intro. So thank you so much for watching. This is basically the finished result. I love how the smoky eye came out. Actually, it's really cute, and the smokiness underneath the eye, like the dark smokiness, I usually don't do that, especially go really low, but I like it. And this is kind of hella cute, so yeah, I enjoyed it. What do you guys think?